One of the other things that we want to look at when it comes to leg and foot health is how the animal's standing and how they're walking. For animals like breeding bucks, this is going to be really important since they're going to stand on their hind legs to do breeding. We want to make sure that they're really sound and flat-footed and they're putting the proper weight on those back feet. If there's an injury to the foot, that could result in the animal not putting weight on, and they will usually reveal a funny gait. They are prey animals though, and because they're prey animals, they're going to try to hide some of their symptoms. But if there's a condition that's severe enough, we might be able to see it. And we have a goat here that we know has a foot lesion. And so we're going to have Caitlin walk her just a little bit, and we'll see if you can pick up on that foot lesion. Of course, she wants to walk her own way, but please pay attention to her back left hoof. Do you notice how she's holding it forward a little bit? She's not putting weight on it. She's not as flat-footed on that hoof. That means that there's something amiss here, and something that we should look into more carefully. Now, it could be something like a foot lesion that could be easily cleared up, but it might be something like hoof scald or foot rot, which we might not want to purchase an animal with that condition. So that's one of the things that we should consider when we're looking at a goat herd in general and selecting individuals that we want. Okay. So this goat, once we lift up her foot, and Caitlin's going to do that for us using the technique that we showed earlier, we can see that there's a very sore lesion in here. Now, this isn't hoof scald or foot rot because it's not in between the toes, but it is something to make her uncomfortable. We do see a little bit of blood, a little bit of weeping, and this is just painful for her to step on, which gives her that uneven gait that we saw in the video a little while ago.